How to make a dumb ceiling fan smart, and work with Alexa. www.onesmartcrib.com. Link to my full blog post and all products featured in this video in YouTube description. Way number 1. Convert an old fan with a controller. The most cost-effective way to make a dumb ceiling fan smart is to use a converter hub from the leading fan controller, Bond. Way number 2. Use a hub and app. The Broadlink RM4 Pro hub and app combo is a good choice for a connected fan. RM4 will control anything that leverages IR signals, so if your fan came with a remote, you are good to go. Way number 3. Install a smart wall switch. GE makes a solid smart fan switch called GE and Brighton Z-Wave Plus that is designed for the sole purpose of making your dumb ceiling fan smart. Way number 4. Get a smart ceiling fan. If you want the best of the best in a new smart ceiling fan, look no further than the Haiku Home L-Series smart ceiling fan from Big Ass Fans. Way number 5. Use a receiver, if no existing remote. It is an affordable option to make a dumb ceiling fan smart, and it will work if your existing fan did not come with a remote or if it doesn't support RF. Many smart ceiling fan controllers are compatible with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. For more information, visit www.onesmartcrib.com and subscribe to my Tech Timmy YouTube channel for a fun take on tech.